Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace PCV valve, okay, on Kia Forte. Stay with us guys and we'll show you how to do that now. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe, and if you need anything, drop a comment below, we'll try to make the video. Now, the symptoms of a bad PCV valve guys is increased pressure, okay, increased pressure in the valve cover right here. And as a result, you might notice some leaks, oil leaks. You might notice, okay, some black smoke coming out of the exhaust, just because of a bad PCV valve that costs just a few bucks to replace, and it's super easy. So stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. So we'll need a 21 millimeter socket pliers, okay, you can see just like that. So we'll need the pliers so we can remove the clamp right there. You need to turn the hose a little bit left and right, and after that, okay, we're going to get the socket, 21 millimeter socket, and we are going to go ahead and remove the sensor now. It's a plastic sensor, so it's usually super easy to remove. It has one seal that might get stuck, a red seal, so if you notice a oil leak from there, you might just need to replace the seal itself. Okay, it's coming out almost. So you can see this is the PCV valve. So this is the new PCV valve that we got. All the links for the parts and tools we use will be listed in the description of the video below guys, so feel free to check it out if you need anything. Most of the parts we get right now are from Amazon. Okay, we're gonna get it tied by hand, and then we're going to get it tied with the socket. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now we're going to install the hose. You need to install the clamp on the hose, and that will be guys the whole procedure. So that's how you guys replace the PCV valve on Kia Forte. Thank you for watching, and please watching for more videos.